Hello there! Today we will demonstrate how to correctly replace a display module in OnePlus 3 smartphone. Here we have a smartphone with broken touchscreen and display. Because both parts were broken, we need to replace the entire display module. We will use a crosshead and a Torx screwdriver for repair. For gluing, we recommend using T7000 or B7000 glue. We will also need a suction cup for lifting the display. If you need to clean the contacts, use a special contact spray. Lastly, you will need a scalpel for lifting and removing spare parts. These are all the tools that we will use for display module replacement. To make the process more convenient and avoid losing or mixing up spare parts, we recommend using a silicone pad, separated into special sections. Let's start dismantling the phone. Unscrew the two bolts on the bottom part of the phone, near the power input. Fix the suction cup on the screen. Using the scalpel, carefully lift the module along the edges. This way, we remove the back cover of the OnePlus 3 smartphone. Disconnect the battery and camera flat cables. Remove all the bolts, one by one, and place them on the pad. Disconnect the flat cables. So, we have completely removed the PCB. Let's now move on to the lower part. Remove all bolts and disconnect all flat cables. Remove the lower PCB and stickers that are fixing the battery. In this particular model, the battery is placed on a special Scotch tape. We need to carefully lift it up and then remove it with a special sticker. We can now start ungluing the module. Before ungluing, we need to heat the module up along the perimeter. We recommend using a special pad with heating. Set the temperature to 60 degrees. Place the module on the pad, facing down. Wait until it heats up properly. Fix the suction cup. Then use the scalpel to lift the module up. And then unglue the module by inserting the blade and carefully moving it along the perimeter. If the module is heated up properly, you'll be able to do this very quickly. This is what the module looks like after it was unglued from the frame. Touchscreen button flat cable remained on the frame. It needs to be removed as well. There is still some glue left on the frame. Remove it with contact spray. Now let's install a new module. This is the new display module. Glue the touchscreen button flat cables to places marked with white rectangles. Glue the speaker cover from the old module to the new one. We have two types of glue, T7000 and B7000. T7000 will work best in our case, because it's black, just like our module. However, if you have B7000, that's perfectly fine as well. Apply the glue along the perimeter of the frame. Attach the module to the frame. Move the flat cable into the opening in the frame. Leave the glue to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. The module is now glued to the frame. Let's assemble the phone. Connect the lower PCB and all the flat cables. Screw in all the bolts, one by one. Install the camera and the upper PCB. Connect all of the flat cables, including the module flat cable. Install the battery. Now switch on the phone and check whether the module works. It's important not to mix up different bolts while assembling the phone, as they are quite similar. Install the back cover and fix it with two bolts. Check whether the module works one more time. As you can see, the module works just fine. Your phone is ready for use. Sub to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. See you soon!